Hey Spy Ninjas, Daniel and Melvin's music video obviously didn't work. Look at Chad, look how boring he is.
You never know when you might see a beautiful bird.
And what the heck is this? You got a new turtleneck?
The last one wasn't even a real turtleneck. Didn't even turtle my neck.
He's gone off the deep end, V.
He's like blending into the walls.
I just got this brand new putter. Look at this. I mean, I got it used because there's some scuffing on it. That's because it's been used by a third-time amateur professional championship.
Did he say amateur professional?
Why didn't Daniel and Melvin's music video not work? Chad's supposed to be back to normal.
They probably mess up somehow, right?
Well, we know the comment. Chad, your balls are making a ruckus.
Look how good I am. You've seen professionals do this, and now I can do it too.
Anyways, the combination of comedy and music in a parody form is supposed to get Chad's personality back.
We want the Chad Wild Clay back, not this Chad Mild Clay.
I got a lesson for both of you. If you want to be good at something, practice. I was just thinking about that because I wasn't really happy with my guitar solo in the last song. Daniel really caught me off guard. I think I could do a little better next time.
But don't worry, Chad. You'll have a second chance to do a guitar solo in me and V's parody.
Yeah, the girls' parody is definitely gonna work.
It'll be way better than Melvin and Daniel's.
Yeah, we both got the moves.
But you're not musicians like Daniel and Melvin. I'm in a band with them. I can't cheat on them like that.
Hello? Have you not heard of the cat keyboard?
Yeah, I can really shred that thing.
And Chad, you might not know it, but I'm an expert at the accordion, okay?
When did this happen, V? I didn't know this.
I think 2 hours ago. Yeah.
Weird Al Yankovic plays the accordion.
Yeah, exactly. I've been studying him, Chad.
You're just like Weird Al. I love you so much now.
Oh my gosh, your husband's scaring me, V.
I know, he's scaring me too. I don't have a mustache like Weird Al.
She shaved yesterday.
Your Weird Al cassette tapes from the 80s. Regina, maybe that's the way to cure Chad. We gotta study Weird Al. Let's get weird. Weird Al is the best at parodies. We need to make sure ours is just as good.
Yes, phase 1 is to study Weird Al.
You gotta take a look at my Weird Al Yankovic tape collection. You guys have already seen this one that Project Zorgo stole. But you know, we've also got the Dare to Be Stupid album. We've got Polka Party. There's so many classics here. Have fun, ladies.
Wow.
Thanks, Chad. Look at this collection. Wait, hold up. Look at this, V.
What?
It says PZ right there. Do you see that?
I see it.
Why does it have PZ on it?
Oh my gosh, do you think Weird Al knows about Project Zorgo? Is he a part of Project Zorgo? Oh my gosh, you guys comment down below if you know anything. Let's go look at the videos, Regina.
The song we're reacting to is called Tacky.
Look at that outfit.
It's groovy. He's got some curly locks.
Fabulous.
It's too straight. It needs to be more like... He's got some wild facial expressions.
Should we practice that? Please don't screenshot any of that, you guys, and don't share that on Instagram. I don't want to be tagged in any of those. Whoa, did you see that dance move? More jiggly.
This video has lots of people. They got like cameos going on.
Yeah, lots of collaborations.
I think we need to recruit some YouTubers we know to be in this video.
Oh yeah, I know some.
I know two. So throughout this video, they got really cool costumes.
Yeah.
And I am the master of disguise. We gotta put this in our video. Oh, hi guys. It's me, Elmo.
Wow!
Or emo, as Daniel would say. This is phase 2. Weird Al has costumes. We need costumes.
Oh yeah!
Here, Chad, put this on.
Regina, this is too thrilling for me, or should I say thriller?
Chad just said a pun.
Whoa, it's already working, Regina! Yeah! This is Regina!
Your high-pitched voices are hurting my eardrums. My cochlear hairs inside of my ears can't handle those high frequencies.
I'm so confused right now. But how do you feel?
I feel like I need to practice.
No,
Oh!
you're just not good at golf. Your golf career will never take off. Just
Hey.
face it.
I don't know, Regina. Maybe we should try some different costumes.
Yeah, maybe we should also take his golf club away from him.
You're just jealous.
Okay, never mind. Let's get the costumes, Chad. Whoa. Regina, I'm sorry.
You just miss your husband, don't you?
I do. Where is he? Where is he?
Ooh.
What do you think, Chad?
Polka dots? More like poke my eyes out.
How you like this, Chad? How you like this?
Regina, those dance moves belong back in jail. This Elmo outfit makes me feel emo.
Naruto!
Reminds me of the time I stubbed my toe. No rude toe. Get it? Now I understand why you're afraid of water.
Meow, 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 Christmas time!
Regina, everyone knows cats don't ride on horses. Blinded by the light, you look like a orange sherbet ice cream. I'm kind of hungry.
I don't know, it's working, Regina. He didn't really respond well to the costumes. But you know what? Weird Al got some great moves. But you know who else got some awesome moves?
Who?
Me!
Oh, work it,
Yeah!
work it.
Maybe that's what Chad will respond to. Some body language.
Oh.
Did somebody say dance moves?
Okay, let's teach him some moves.
Weird Al has got some good dance moves. We gotta put good dance moves in our music video.
Study up, study up.
Okay.
Should we get some food and eat it? Whoa, do you see all those dance moves? Michael Jackson, awesome dance moves! Oh
Okay,
my
how
gosh.
do you do that?
That is the fancy kick too. Tee-hee! Come on! Come on!
You sound like Foon.
Tee-hee! I get it now! You guys, this music video is gonna be awesome!
Yeah.
If you wanna see it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take your phone, turn it this way. If the subscribe button is red, make it gray. Music videos usually have awesome dance moves, a lot of movements. Let's try some steps, Chad. Move to the left. Moving. Now jump to the right. Oh gosh.
You're so clumsy. Who are you, Regina?
Hey.
Burn.
Chad, I know your favorite dance move is the body roll. Let's try some body roll. Oh. Gotta roll the hips a little bit. Who are you? Who are you, Daniel?
I have a better dance move. Look it over there. It's a cardinal. Look it over here. It's a blue jay.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know, Chad.
It's hot and hip with all the kids. It's gonna be a TikTok trend.
I think the only birds the kids know are Twitter.
Oh, kids don't use Twitter. You old person.
I got a dance move for Chad.
Ooh, let's see it. Oh.
That's not a dance move. That's a fighting move.
I'm trying to get you back into it.
I'm into it. Can't you tell? I'm grooving.
That's not too bad. What if you did a little like disco move?
Ooh, I like that. I like that. Just try to copy Regina.
Okay.
Hand on hip.
Pointing at hip.
Hand on hip. Pointer finger.
You go, No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
No, Chad.
Ooh, yeah.
And then you just sway. Oh.
Regina poked me in the eye.
Did not.
It was an accident.
Okay, I'm pretending she did.
He's joking around.
That's good. That's good. It's working.
Yeah.
Your personality is coming back.
I need to comb my eyebrows. They look okay?
They look great.
Chad, I know what you like. You like spicy stuff, like me, right? Not spicy food, just spicy V, right?
Yep, totally. Totes.
Let's try some spicy dance moves, Chad.
Okay.
Hang on, the binoculars are swinging.
Chad, you look like a chicken.
What'd you call me?
Chicken.
Cha-cha, come on. Yeah. Turn to left, Chad, turn to left.
This is spicy, but I think it needs double happy feet.
Whoa.
You try it. Double happy feet.
What is
I don't know. I don't like it. That's too mild.
Where did you get that dance move?
I watched it on a YouTube video. Hair flip.
He's getting that down.
Got some attitude.
Try something more your style, Chad, like a Napoleon Dynamite.
Yeah.
Kind of like your style right now.
Cool. He's cool. What do
Try
you got?
this. Touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes.
Okay, I got it.
Oh God! You're always hurting him. All your dance moves.
Back up.
Okay.
Touch your toes.
Again? Stop it!
Touch your toes.
Oh.
Touch your toes.
Oh.
Ah, my hammy.
Your hammy?
You always hurting your hammy.
No, that's Daniel. I know I look like Daniel, but I'm not him.
I don't think so. I don't think Daniel's this bland.
Yeah, even Daniel has more spice than you.
He's so pasty.
Okay, you know, he's kind of responding. He got this spicy attitude back, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Breakfast of champions.
Breakfast? All right, we tried the costumes, the dance moves. You know what we need? Some comedy.
Okay.
In Weird Al's music videos, he has this guy who does fart noises.
Farts are always funny.
Always.
Chad likes farts too, right?
I've never farted in my life.
You definitely have. I've heard you and smelt it.
She who smelt it, dealt it. Booyah.
Hey, that's a response we want.
Yeah.
His personality's coming back.
Chad, you're coming back!
Yeah, let's do more comedy stuff. Okay, Regina, do you know how to make like fart noises?
Yes.
Oh,
Of course I do. All you have to do is suction them together. It's not working. Work!
Ooh, I hear it. What? Why are you shaking your head, Chad? Can you do better?
Let's see you do it, V. Quaint.
Hands together, suction.
Have I gone deaf, or you just can't fart?
You know, I don't do it in real life. That's why I can't even pretend to do it with my hands.
This is something that takes years of practice, ladies. Let me demonstrate.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Really good.
That was really good. That was like a fart song.
But you ladies need a little work on your hand farting. Maybe you could do a little armpit farting.
Regina, you go.
Oh, it's happening. Do you hear it?
Who looks like a chicken now?
Chad, don't push her. Hello?
Ew. I don't know. I think we should just move on to the next phase.
Oh.
He's
Let me
oh.
teach you, Regina. See? Let me see if I can get a low one.
What the heck? How are you so good at that?
Talent. Pull my finger.
Okay.
Psych.
V, this isn't working. Didn't you say you had like an accordion or something? Like you're an expert now?
Yeah.
Weird Al does have an accordion in his videos.
He does.
Like polka?
Yeah.
Go grab your accordion, girl.
All right.
And I have a secret weapon of my own. Are you excited, chatty boy?
Thrilled.
Secret weapon? Weird Al costumes.
Whoa. You guys look like my idol, Weird Al.
Yeah, right?
Both just became twice as attractive.
I knew I shouldn't have shaved this morning. It's totally working. Look at him.
Chad likes this.
Yeah. And I got my secret weapon, the accordion.
Ooh, it's a tiny one.
Yeah, it's a V-size one.
Weird Al is a master of accordion. There's no way you can play it as good as him.
Oh, yeah? Hold on. Oh, I got it. Oh. Hold on.
No,
stop.
Stop.
No, I got it.
Go V, go V.
Hold on. Hey.
You play that accordion, girl.
What'd you think about that, Chad?
Wow, wowie, wowie, wow. 2 thumbs up from me.
Oh, I think I lost my mustache.
I did too.
You guys are the now new 2000s Weird Al with no mustache.
Oh my gosh, Regina, it's totally working! I think it's gonna work with Weird Al! Come on, Chad, let's make this parody music video! Come on!
Wait, my binoculars.
And don't forget, guys, the music video is gonna come out in the Regina channel. So make sure you tune in, watch our music video, and help us get Chad Wild Clay back!
Bring him back!